dolls. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining. Please stay a while and join the Dollhouse. If you are returning, OMG, welcome back. It's really welcome back to me because I'm the one that haven't created any videos this year.
My hope is that we can be collectively in a great place. Because
that might be a little difficult.
Also, it's good to have goals.
Yeah.
You know.
But why is that going to be difficult?
It has been a very, very busy year. I apologize if I scared you all because I hadn't created a video at all this year. It has been very busy. A lot of transitions. As you can see, I am currently working. So we'll go ahead and take some time to take it all the way back to the beginning of this year where I had my corrective surgery on my lower abdomen area where I had developed a hematoma from being getting my seroma drained incorrectly. And if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, you can go check out some of my older videos where I talk about my corrective surgery and like what that's gonna look like, and come back to this video because now I'm gonna kind of talk through what surgery process was like. Hi everyone, good morning dolls. Today is the big day. I'm getting ready to have surgery in about an hour. I arrived yesterday and things were just moving so fast. I was so tired that I didn't even have the energy to vlog. I'm exhausted, like so tired. I'm so excited to just go ahead and get this over with so that I can live my best life. And y'all don't understand how it's been such a long time coming. I feel so uncomfortable right now. I just took a bath with the Dial soap and I'm so ashy. My lips are ashy. My face is ashy. Like, yeah, you see it coming to you raw and real this morning. After I have the surgery, I'm gonna go straight to Innovative. My husband is taking care of me, and I don't have any post-op nurses coming today. I feel like I'm gonna be okay. Yesterday, oh, that got really bright. Yesterday, let me close the blinds. Yesterday, we went grocery shopping. We went to Costco to get some salmon, and then we also got like fruit from Costco, just because I wanted to get like not a large amount, but the salmon is so cheap there. So well, it comes in a really big quantity for a good amount of money. So after that we went to Target and I got a few things, got some groceries. Last night I had some seared salmon using my Flavor God seasoning. I do want to show you guys at least one meal that I prepared with the salmon. Yeah, so I've only been eating fish and like veggies and stuff like that, some starches as well, but I've been cutting out the like meat, so no chicken, no beef, no pork. I haven't eaten that in a minute, so I'm going to continue that and hope that that can actually help me in my pursuit to lose. I think I want to lose like 10 pounds over the next few months, so that's what I'm going to be trying to do after I have this surgery. But I'm so excited. We're in Houston and it's almost time, so I'm gonna come back when I'm heading out. Oh. All right, so we are on our way to Premier Surgical Arts and super tired but ready to get this over with. It feels great today. I hope you guys can hear me okay. But yeah, I will see you guys then. Okay, so I made it inside. I did all of my paperwork. Now I'm about to go ahead and take the urine test, and then I'm gonna head to the other room in order to get my IV. Feeling pretty good. No nerves have set in yet. I think I'm just so tired. Like, I'm just ready to kind of get it over with so I can move forward with my life. But I'm excited that I won't have this little lump anymore. Ugh. Let me show you guys. This lump will be gone. This is a lump. So ready for it to be gone. See you guys later. Just made it out of surgery. I was really drowsy, but I feel good. Going to get my massage soon. Check in with you guys later. Made it back to the Airbnb. This is what we're looking like back in the Faja. And I just feel, I don't know how to feel. I'm sore, especially on this side where the hematoma was. I'm so sore right here. And the massage hurts so bad. Like, they said that I have a lot of scar tissue, so, but this is what we're looking like. Hubby's making me some lunch right now. And, I'm really ready to take a nap, but I'm just gonna wait until after I eat. I already peed and went to number 2, so that's a good sign of just my body weaning off the anesthesia and stuff. So let me show you how I got it set up in the room to take a nap. So it's messy right now, but I just got it laid out right here. It's a king size bed. I'm gonna have to give you guys, like I said, a room tour. I'm about to take my medication, lay my black self down, and hopefully my stomach can stop hurting. It's like my stomach hurts so bad, like I got gas or something. I don't know. It's just my stomach feels tore up. But all is well. I think I'm still kind of like in a daze a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna check in with you guys later. Yeah, my stomach is just, it's killing me. Like, it hurts really, really bad. And like, I'll show you guys once I take off my faja. If not tonight, tomorrow, I'm gonna show you guys what my stomach actually looks like now that he's taken it out. It looks so much better already, and I know I'm swollen. So I'm just looking forward to like how much better I'm gonna look once I'm not. And I think that's it. Oh, now what's different now is that they actually put this like patch behind your ear. I don't know if you can see that patch. It's like a patch behind the ear for nausea. So I put that patch on last night. Definitely not feeling nauseous. Feeling a little dizzy a little bit, but that could just be the anesthesia. And I'm definitely starting to feel the pain. So I'm about to take these pain pills and try to get some rest because your girl's tired. But all right, love you guys. I'll check in a little bit. Good morning, dolls. Day 2. I had every intention on recording more last night, but I was just so exhausted, and I didn't feel well. Like, I'm in so much pain even now. The first time I had surgery, liposuction, I wasn't in pain the first 5 days at all, and then the only pain that I had after that point was the massages. So for me to be hurting like this, like, is crazy. Dr.Jung did have to be aggressive, so I'm thinking that this pain and soreness is coming from that. But last night, I tried to get out of my faja to change my pads, and I legit almost fainted. Like, for almost 5 minutes, I was trying to keep myself from blacking out. And I'm laying down now because I was trying to change my pads for my massage, and I felt like I was about to faint again. So I don't really know why that's happening. It's really scary. I'm thinking about possibly think I should text Dr. Jung to ask him, or yeah, I'm gonna text Dr. Jung just to let him know like that's happening. I don't know if the faja is too tight and it's just compressing so much that when it's not compressing, my blood is just running wild. I don't know what it is, honestly, but everything in me wants to cancel this massage because I feel like I'm going through enough right now. But I think I'm just gonna power through it, take my pain meds, and pray. Having some oatmeal this morning. My husband fixed it, and I feel like I've been eating pretty healthy. Hopefully tonight I'm feeling up for cooking some dinner with you guys and talking more through this whole surgery thing. But I'll be back later.
Okay, so starting from
February. February is when I had my corrective surgery with Dr.Jung. As you all know, the reason why I was having surgery is because I had a very hard lump on my lower abdomen area, and when I made the video talking about that particular area and having to get a round 2, I didn't know at the time that it would grow larger, and so I ended up paying a small fee in order to get that area cleaned out and to kind of like make it as flat as the top of my tummy was. So I ended up having to pay a small fee for that. I don't want to get into the nuances of like how much I paid and all of that stuff because 1, it really doesn't matter, and 2, I don't want people comparing themselves to like the price that I paid, whether it's less or more. I just feel like it'll just create too much of an issue. So I'm going to leave that part out, but just know that I did have to pay a fee in order to get that area cleaned out. The surgery was fairly quick. I think it was an hour or less. And then after that, I went directly to Innovative. And when I got to Innovative, it was really different this time because it's like I was not draining at all. The first time I was like super juicy. This time, for whatever reason, I just was not draining well. So get to the Airbnb, and I stayed in Houston for maybe 3 to 5 days. I wasn't there very long because this wasn't like a full like BBL surgery or full liposuction surgery. It was literally just like cleaning out that particular area. And so I got there, and one of the things that was different about this surgery versus the last time I had surgery was I actually like felt very faint. Like if you've seen my my vlog when I had surgery last time, I was kind of up, I was perky, I was like in very high spirits. But this time was different because like every time I stood up, I felt like I was about to faint. So I had to take it easy, and for a while I was just very inflamed in that area. I'll go ahead and loop a picture. I was very inflamed in the areas that I had received liposuction. My body was like, girl, this is it for you. Like, no more. Like, I cannot take it. So my body was not responding well to the surgery. And so I ended up having to do a total like very low to no sodium diet following that surgery, which, you know, that's what we should be doing anyways. But I feel like I had to go to the extreme because I was so inflamed, and I was so afraid that like I would have the issue that was going on, as you can see from the picture. I was afraid that that was going to stay like that. So I'm like, oh my goodness, I traded one problem for the next. So I changed my diet, did a low sodium diet, and then ate a lot of fruits, a lot of veggies. I followed like a Mediterranean diet kind of closely. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might remember when I was posting all of that food stuff about Mediterranean and clean eating and blah, 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 blah. So did that for a little bit. I also started doing these hyperbaric oxygen treatments that support healing, and they give you like pure oxygen. You like go into this like tube. I can attach a video. Well, yeah, I can attach a picture. You go into this tube and you pretty much are in there for an hour where you're receiving this like pure oxygen, and that's supposed to help with healing and just kind of help give your body some fresh oxygen and fresh oxygenated blood to go to the surgery site to speed up healing as well. So I was doing that while I was also getting massages. I did have like a very small seroma pocket that had to get drained. I'll go ahead and attach that now to let you guys see that. I had a small seroma that needed to be drained, and I had some inflamed tissue as well. So I continued to get massages for a little bit up until I want to say maybe like 2 months, 2 or 3 months, something like that. And then I had to go off to training. So I haven't gotten a massage since maybe like April, because I was in training all of May and some of June. So yeah, it was a lot. And I'll show you guys. I think I may have like a picture of my results. I'll show you guys what my results look like. I am happy with my results. You can't really tell, like I'm slouching over now. But I am happy with my results. I feel like what I wanted to get done was done. I do still have like an inflammation pocket that's like at the center of my stomach. That's not very visible. Granted, like I haven't been in a faja since like April, because I tried to wear my faja during training. I'm like, I'm about to pass out. It was in the middle of like the beginning of the summer in Atlanta. Like, it's negative. Like, no, it's not happening.
I can't, I won't, I'm not, it's too much.
So I haven't been wearing my faja. I might try to get back into my faja for a little bit, but I mean, at this point, I think that I want to kind of shift my focus towards more dieting and exercise to kind of maintain my results, rather than just like stuffing myself in a faja. Because once you get out of your faja for a certain amount of time, like, you don't be wanting to get back into it. It's like you feel all claustrophobic, and then it's annoying, and it's just not as motivated. So I probably won't be going back to the faja. Don't tell Dr.Jung. But yeah, that's just me. Don't listen to me. If you have had surgery, get your behind in that faja right now. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the surgery life. I have not created any content in terms of like pictures on Instagram and stuff. My life has just been a whirlwind, full of blessings, a lot of transitions and stuff like that, but I haven't had a chance to kind of like get back grounded, which is why I'm excited to create this video, because this is something that I enjoy doing, one, and two, it's something that needs to be done, like, seriously. So, and as you guys know, I went through the whole entire training process and recently became a flight attendant for one of the #1 airlines in America. I will not say the name because I cannot say the name, but as you guys can see, you know the name, you know the brand. So I want to make this video really short because I just want to kind of kick this off. Like, I am back and I'm better. So it has been so long since I have created a video, and I know some of you have questions. Some of you are going to Dr.Jung this summer, this fall, this winter, and you're wondering, you know, what's going on? Do I regret it? All of this stuff. So I may create another video just kind of answering some questions for you all. But thank you so much for all of my loyal supporters who have been with me through thick and thin. And I may be seeing some of you this summer if you're flying on the airline that I work for. I may be seeing you guys. But yeah, I want to make this video short because I want to go ahead and go through all of your comments and put together a short FAQ. And I love you all, and if you have any suggestions for videos, please go ahead and leave them down below, and I will see you on the next video.